Good morning, everyone, and I'm going to try something new. I'm going to try something entirely new here. Welcome to the Lock Pickers auction. I'm going to try something new. We have the first item that I want to auction off today is a pick that I made some time back, and the starting bid is going to be $23 for item number 1. It's a pretty good pick. I've picked some locks with it. It works well. It's a shallow hook, and it performs really nice. Item number 2 is a brand new Lotto lock, A1100. It's got the, I guess, some company's number on there. But this lock does not have a key. It don't have a key. It's a real fun pick, and it does have 6 pins, and there's spools and serrations and all kinds of fun stuff in there. And the bidding on this item number 2, the start bidding is going to be $15. And I figured I would just throw this right here in the triple header tonight. This is the HPC flip open pick case. You know, we all know what they are, what they look like. It's got felt inside there. Pretty nice, brand new. It's never been used. The starting bid on this is going to be $7. I'm going to see how this works out. It's pretty fun. I see other channels doing it, so I figured I would give it a try. And if you're interested in item number 1, item number 2, or item number 3, feel free to email me at dwon897@gmail.com, and I'll put all that stuff down in the descriptions down below down there. And I'm going to keep the paper so that I can remember what we're talking about. And as you can see, I have plenty more picks to go. I've got, I don't know, 50 or 100 picks in a box down here that I've made. I've got another 25 or 30 up on the shelf here. And I'm going to auction off all this stuff. I'm not getting out of lock picking. I'm just trying to give people a option other than buying from these mass-produced companies. So thank you for your time, and please take care of yourselves out there. I'll talk to you all later.